We're going to do chocolate dipped strawberries. The key to chocolate dipped strawberries is to understand how chocolate behaves. Chocolate does not like any kind of liquid, otherwise it's going to separate. So for chocolate dipped strawberries, all we need are some strawberries, preferably organic, chocolate chips, semi-sweet is good, and a tray. So hopefully you all have these ingredients. And I have this silk pad, but if you don't have that, you can always use foil to line your tray. You do need a foil or something that will line the tray so that your strawberries don't stick. Okay, so first we're going to talk about the strawberries. Because the chocolate doesn't like any liquid, we're going to wash the strawberries, clean the strawberries with a paper towel. So we're just going to go ahead and clean strawberry. Now that we've cleaned the strawberries, we're going to move on to the chocolate. So we're going to take our chocolate, and we need a little bowl that allow us just to dip the strawberries in here, but it's not going to have excessive chocolate. We're going to put chocolate in the bowl, and it really depends on how much strawberries you're going to be dipping. You can always do it in multiple times. I'm going to just fill it about 3/4 full here. And then we need a spoon. And we're going to microwave this for about a minute. It really depends on the power of your microwave. But for my microwave, I'm going to microwave it for a minute. Okay? Okay, let's put this in for a minute. Alright, let's see if our chocolate is ready. What you can see is it looks still very solid, but on the edge the chocolate is somewhat shiny. I'm going to stir it, but if you stir it too much it becomes really granular, so you don't want to stir it so that it becomes granular. Okay? Might need maybe another half a minute of that, but now we can start dipping our strawberries. We take it by the stems, and all we need to do is swirl it around, take it up, and then plop it onto our tray. And I would encourage you to take all the stems, gather the stems up so that they don't fall into the chocolate, and it can also be a little handle. And then swirl it around. Take the swirl and place this part that actually has the drip on the base of the strawberry. So there you go. So here we have our chocolate dipped strawberries, and we're going to put it into the refrigerator just to harden. Okay, now it's time to take out our strawberries. So here they are. And all we need to do is get them off here and make them. And they come really easy off of either the foil or the silk pad. Okay. And there you go.